The Turkiye Burslari Scholarship is a prestigious, fully funded scholarship offered by the Turkish government, and it aims to attract international students to study in prestigious universities in Turkey. Turkey, a country bridging Europe and Asia, offers an unparalleled blend of rich history, vibrant culture, and modern academic opportunities. Through the scholarship, you can enroll in bachelor's degree, master's degree, doctoral degree, and even research programs in many fields across engineering, arts, science, humanities, and many other fields in prestigious universities in Turkey. Studying in Turkey helps you build valuable networks. You can meet and connect with students from different countries, creating lasting friendship and professional links. The academic environment supports teamwork and idea sharing, preparing you for jobs in a global world. The best part, this scholarship is a fully funded opportunity. It covers your tuition fee, accommodation, monthly stipend, travel expenses, and more. And there is no application fee for this scholarship, which means you can apply for free through the official website. In this video, we will cover everything about the scholarship, including the eligibility criteria, required documents, application deadline, and everything you need to know about this scholarship. Also, I will share tips on how you can get exemptions for English proficiency exams like IELTS, TOEFL, and GRE if you are not able to get the exams before the application deadline. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and watch the entire video so that you don't miss any vital parts of the application process. Let's get started. Benefits of the scholarship. The Turkiye Burslari Scholarship provides the following benefits. 1. Full tuition coverage for the entire duration of your program. 2. Monthly stipend. It provides a monthly stipend of around 3,500 Turkish lira at the undergraduate level, 5,000 Turkish lira at the master's level, and 6,500 Turkish lira at the doctoral level. In fact, students who qualify for the merit award will be rewarded with stipends 2 times higher than the regular payment for those that does not apply for the merit scholarship. You also get free accommodation for the entire duration of your study, also access to comprehensive medical insurance, round-trip flights to and from Turkey at the beginning and end of your studies. The scholarship also offers a 1-year Turkish language course when you can learn Turkish in a friendly and comfortable environment. Other benefits of the scholarship include access to social and cultural activities, integration into the Turkey alumni network, and university and departmental placements. To be eligible for this scholarship, you must meet the following eligibility criteria. This includes the age limit. The age limit is 21 years old for undergraduate applicant, 30 years old for master's degree applicant, 35 years old for doctoral degree applicant, and it is 50 years for doctoral degree programs. Then academic achievement. For undergraduate applicants, you need to meet 70% minimum average throughout your high school. For master's and PhD degree applicants, you need to have a minimum of 75% average throughout your undergraduate and master's degree program respectively. And for applicants interested in medicine, dentistry, and pharmacy, you need to have a minimum of 90% to qualify for this scholarship opportunity. Also, this scholarship is open to everyone except Turkish citizens. And this scholarship requires every applicant to be in good health condition to qualify for the opportunity. Documents required for this scholarship. When applying for the Turkiye Burslari Scholarship, you need to upload certain documents. This includes 1. A scanned copy of your national ID card or your international passport. 2. A recent clear passport size photograph. You will need to upload this while you are filling your online application. 3. You will also be required to submit your academic transcript. An academic transcript includes certified copies of your grades from previous studies. For undergraduate applicants, you can get it from your high school. Postgraduate applicants need to contact their previous institution to get their own transcript. Diploma or certificate of graduation. If you've completed your current studies, you need to get a certificate of graduation or your diploma from your previous institution and upload it in the online application. Also, you need to get a letter of intent. Your letter of intent is a statement of purpose explaining your academic and career goals, why you want to study in Turkey, and how this opportunity aligns with your future aspirations. Then, recommendation letters. You will need to provide letters of recommendation from academic or professional referees who can vouch for your ability, who can testify on your character and ability. Standardized test scores. If test scores like SAT, GMAT, GRE are required by your program, you will need to provide one of that in the application material. Also, a research proposal is required for doctoral applicants. Students applying for doctoral programs will be instructed to upload a research document, a detailed and structured research document as part of their online application. Language proficiency scores. For programs taught in English, some universities will require you to upload English proficiency exams like IELTS, TOEFL, and other exams if required in your online application. However, if you don't have an English proficiency exam, here are some methods to waive this requirement. One, apply for programs or universities that does not require English proficiency. Some universities or programs may not require English proficiency. Make sure to check the program's requirements before applying. Two, take an English proficiency exam before the deadline. If possible, try to take an English proficiency exam before the application deadline. This will help you meet the requirement and make your application complete. The third option is that you can request an English proficiency waiver from your previous institution. If taking an English exam is not possible for deadline, you can ask your previous institution to issue a letter or certificate confirming that your education was conducted in English. Upload this waiver in place of a test score, and while this is not a perfect replacement, it is better than uploading nothing. Also, one important thing is that you need to make sure these documents are accurate, make sure they are clear before you upload it, and make sure they meet the program's requirements. So how do you now apply for this scholarship? To apply for the Turkiye Burslari Scholarship, you need to create an account. So you need to go to the official Turkiye Burslari portal and register for an account. Then you fill in all your required details, including your personal, academic, and professional information. Then you upload the required documents, make sure your documents are clear, accurate, and in the correct format for uploading them. Also, you need to choose your programs and universities. You need to select your preferred universities and programs from options available on the portal. Also, you need to write a strong letter of intent. This is your chance to stand out. Highlight your academic achievement, career goals, and explain why you want to study in Turkey. Explain why you want to study that particular course in Turkey. Then you submit your application, you double check all your information and documents, and then submit the application before the deadline. If you need any guidance on this application, please check our detailed videos on Turkiye Burslari Scholarship application. Links will be provided in the description below. Now let's talk about how the selection process works for the Turkiye Burslari Scholarship. It is a detailed and fair process designed to select the best candidates for this scholarship opportunity. So let me break this down for you. 1. Preliminary assessment. First, they check if your application meets the basic requirements like academic grades, age limit, and document submission. If everything looks good, then you move to the next stage. The next is expert evaluation. An expert committee reviews your application, looking at your academic achievement, goals, and motivation. They also consider your letter of intent and involvement in extracurricular activities. If you pass this stage, then the next stage is written tests for undergraduate applicants. Undergraduate applicants need to take a 30-question test on math, geometry, and logic. The test is available in both Turkish and English, so don't worry if you are not fluent in Turkish. Some countries have a slight different format depending on the number of applicants. After the test, shortlisted candidates attend interviews. They will check your documents, discuss your academic background and goals, and give you a chance to ask questions. Remember to bring all your required documents along. Then the final assessment. The selection committee evaluates your interview results, academic qualifications, and motivation. Then they make the final decision on who will receive the scholarship. A mail will be sent to all applicants on this day. The deadline to apply for this scholarship is February 2025. So make sure to get all your documents, everything about your application. Make sure it is complete before you submit your application on that day. For more details on this scholarship, please visit the official Turkiye Burslari Scholarship website. Link will be provided in the description below. And that's everything you need to know about the Turkiye Burslari Scholarship 2025. If you are excited about studying in Turkey and you want to take your academic to the next level, don't hesitate to apply for this scholarship. Don't wait, start your application now. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more valuable opportunities. Hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our recent uploads. If you have any question regarding the scholarship, feel free to drop the questions in the comment section below or message me directly. And don't forget to join our WhatsApp group for latest updates. Thank you for listening.